Okay, welcome to the forex chart of the dollar against the Japanese yen. Um, so right now, the bigger picture, I have this W here, um, looking for an X up. So my X, I got way up here, and I don't know if my W starts here or here, but for the shorter time periods, it's not going to matter too much. Um, because we're really measuring this move up from here, anyways. Excuse me. So, um, let's figure out how we got up to here. If you can look past all the writing. But our highest candlestick is up to 160, 70, something around there. So let's see how we got there. And it looks like the 161.8 wins again. So let's just zoom in there. And it acted as some support for a little while till it broke. So, that being said, let's keep it consistent with the WXY patterns. So we're going to do W X and Y is up here. Which gives us a bigger W. Okay, let me clean this up a little bit so we can check that and see if it's correct. I hate to move these because on the 30-minute time frame they're kind of significant. So, let me see here. How can I pretty this up? Let's go back to these moves here and make sure that they add up. So right here, and this is on the monthly time frame, by the way. Yeah, so we got a 50%. I really like 50% corrections on the WXY patterns. Let me leave that there for a second. I just don't know if this X can go here. It just seems like for the time sequence that it needs to be where it's at right now. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 5. Top of B. That's kind of stretching it there to make that work. Let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can do it this way. And then A, B, C. No, it still doesn't really work. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not quite sure. I'll come back to the spiral. So, anyways, I do have this top here in the 161.8%. I got this 50% retracement here. That adds up. Let's find this point here. And I'm doing this so I can, kind of track the progress. Looking for a 121 or 261. That'll work. 261. And with this leading diagonal and the extension here, Let me get rid of this. So this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. It's a little more difficult to read on a monthly time frame. But let's do this. Let's put this X back over here for a second. Count this. Oops. Count this as a 1. 1, 2, and 3 for the Y. I really don't like the Y being counting in a perfect 3 waves. I really would have liked to see more of this type of rally for a Y. So I'm going to keep it that 1, 2, 3, and maybe this Y of a lesser degree, maybe that adds up. So I measured this already to get the 261, so we'll do that. Let me duplicate this. So we got a W here. Oops. Let me make this a lesser degree so it doesn't confuse you. Oops. Make it smaller. Make it yellow. Bring it down to the 10. We'll do this. Duplicate it. Bring this over here. And then duplicate it again. And we're here. So really it's the WXY, okay? Okay, so make this a smaller degree W. Yeah, we'll do this. There you go. Wait a second. Couldn't remember what the other W was. Alright, we'll do it this way. Make it orange. So we have 3 degrees. Let's see. Really, we have 4 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, just count the colors, and that'll give you the degrees. So, oops. Alright. So we're looking for, let's check this move out right here and see if this adds up to be a 50%. It is on the money. So we'll go ahead and label that RX in the orange, lesser degree. So let me just duplicate this, move it down here. Okay, and now let's see if this matches up to our 123 from here. I think I did this one already, so I'm pretty sure it does. Don't need that one. Okay, so it looks like we did not hit the 123. So start it here. Is don't like that. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. We got this. Did I measure it right? Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's zoom in here now and see if maybe we need to be going up further. I got this low target, maybe I'm wrong on that, so let's see here. Like I said, it's hard to do this from the monthly, jumping from the monthly right to the 30-minute. So, $123, past the 123. Where did I get this? Okay, I must have got this somewhere on a 30-minute time frame here, so this doesn't go with the monthly time frame. So once I get this, it'll be easier to figure out the moves on the 30-minute. I just got to figure out where I'm going wrong here on this Y. Huh. Unless, I did say that I like the Y moves in 5. So let's see if we got a 123 out of the extensions. Or 6, yeah, it's 61.8. Still don't like it. Still not right. Got a perfect 50% retracement here. I don't understand that. Okay, let's measure this retracement from here. Okay. So I know that we went past the 123 up here. Yeah, just barely. So it's alright. Let's figure out what that retracement is. This one's on the 61. So if that retracement's on the 61, this could be a 1-2. 1-2. This leg is okay. This could be 5 waves right here. I didn't think it was going to be this difficult to interpret this chart. Past. Oh. Okay. I got it. Yeah. Okay. So this is a 1, 2, 3, and you're expanding flats right here. Jeez, it's getting late for me. So now I just want to double check this retracement here, which should be 50%. Okay, hasn't got there yet. Looks like it's working its way there. Okay. Now I feel a little bit better about the counting this Y leg, at least the starts and the beginnings. Um, the only concern I have is it's hard to read this move from the past, this past move here, from the lower degree WXY in the yellow. 1, 2, 3. I should be able to get something off of that, but we might be too early in this move. We may not be going down from the 153 area up here. I don't even know if you can see that. Let me move it over. Sorry. Okay. Let's try this one more time. 1, 2, 3. And then we got it 1, 2, 3. This makes sense. And down. So we can only focus on this move right now. But I'm thinking, I don't know why that keeps popping up. Okay. All right. So we got us a 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, in 5. Pull back B. C is right here. I need to write this down. Okay. Let's make this even smaller. We'll go blue. Lowercase here. No, keep it capital. That's fine. Okay. Duplicate this. And my X is here. Duplicate this. And my Y is here. This Y leg is going to be massive, I think. So I think this is out of the question, that move there. Okay. So A, B, C. This needs to be a 161.8. Let's see what we got. Or 200. Yeah, I could go with the 200. And that, just past it. This might be, yeah, I can go with that. 1, 2, 3, and then A, B, C again up. Another expanding flat here to bounce. So in that case, I may need to remeasure this. Wrong way. Okay, so here's the 61.8, and it worked for this. Okay. But really, here's where the smaller degree moves, it completes. But it's a little confusing, but yeah, we'll come back to that. I will go ahead and keep this as your bottom for the next wave up. Okay, so yeah, all right. So now we need our X leg up on this is on the monthly, right? So if this is a W X, we still need a Y down, then rally up. So I think we need a 50% from the start of here, not up here. Let's go ahead and take it from here. Our 61% is here, so yeah, like I said, we're almost at the 50. I bet you it starts to fall right here next month, though, because I mean, I guess it could drop pretty drastically. It looked like it almost hit the 50 already, so let's activate this line, put it here. Maybe it goes up to the 61.8. And then, so yeah, I guess I was hitting the right way. So WX, and then we're going to need 5 waves here. So I bet you it hits here. And then we get our 5 waves down, something like this. I don't know what that was. Interesting. Well, let's find out where that one was going to go. 134 maybe. That's my target. But the way these have been moving, it's probably going to go past it. So we'll just split the difference for right now. Look at the big picture. And we'll label that target here in a second. Let me zoom back out. See what that looks like. So, WXY for here, smaller degree here, yellow, boom, 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 WXY, I know it's hard to read through this, apologize, I'll try to figure out some better ways to label this so it's not in the way of the chart, but for tonight you're just gonna have to bear with me. It's even hard for me to see through all this mess. I just don't like this wave coming down like this so far. Okay, a lot of sometimes, X patterns can play like B patterns. They can form triangles. Maybe okay, because here's your W in white. Okay, that's right. And then we would need a 50% retracement from this whole move. Yeah, so let's get a 50% retracement from here to here. Let's get this out of the way. So 50% would come down to here. It's a pretty big move. Let's look and see if my 200 retracement line will bring us there. And then I might agree with it. The 200 and the 50 line up almost perfect. Okay, I think that's where we're going. Well, that took a while to figure that one out. So I even put that target down there a while ago. All right. That's the target. So all this mess we really didn't need anyways. Yeah, I had that 61% target up there, but I didn't. Yeah, didn't remember where it came from. Okay, so let's go back over these prices then. I'd forgotten what I did in the last video, so I'm guessing that this move here, the WX, the X up here before the Y, I already had a 150 and a 148 target. So it is past the 148 target and just barely. What's the high on this monthly candlestick? The high is 149.54. I said 150. So I'm going to get rid of this target because we're past it. So I'm going to keep this one up here, and if we go higher, we'll try to figure out if it's going to continue higher or if it's on the way up, it's on the turn. All right, so we should be turning down now to the 119 target, and yeah, I think the next video then we can dive in maybe on the 30-minute time frame. I've spent too much time on this one already, but there you go. So, like I said, I hope this makes sense and hope it was helpful. Good luck.